Electrostatics gave the exact result that gravity was predicted to give in atomic clocks. With time dilation, atomic clocks prove time dilation, which then would prove Einstein's theory of general relativity, right? That silly theory of the bending and warping of space-time was supposedly solidified through this experiment that was conducted using these cesium atomic clocks. First, what is an atomic clock exactly?
Atomic clocks use the resonance frequencies of atoms as their resonator. This happens when atoms absorb or emit microwave electromagnetic radiation during a quantum transition, resulting in an energy change. One of the primary advantages of using atoms as a resonator is their extreme consistency in resonance frequency. For instance, every cesium-133 atom resonates at exactly 9,192,631,770 cycles per second.
So it's just a measurement of the vibration of atoms at different altitudes? Did I hear the word electromagnetic? So I had to do some research and I found electrostatic time dilation. What? Could there be a general relativistic explanation of the electrostatic time dilation? That's right, there might be a general relativistic theory of electromagnetism, which is very similar to that of gravitation. Which brings us the unified theory of gravitation and electromagnetism. Could there be an electrical equivalence principle from which the electrostatic time dilation ensues? The answer to this question is affirmative. Electrostatic experiments performed in an accelerated frame would produce identical results as electrostatic experiments with a single charge particle or particles to the same type performed in a uniform electric field. It is impossible to distinguish the fictitious inertial force from the real electrical force in a local region containing a single particle. For some reason, they mentioned a dome like twice in this entire article. Kind of like the dome on that Superman TV show I was watching when they were trying to find him on the world map. ChatGPT, what do you gather from this?
If electrostatic potential causes the same time dilation as gravitational potential, it suggests a deeper connection between electromagnetism and gravity. That could challenge the mainstream idea that they're separate forces and hint at a unified principle. Do you think this supports the idea that what we call gravity might actually be an electromagnetic phenomenon?
So back to the experiment that supposedly proved general relativity. So the idea was they took atomic clocks up on an airplane and left some on the ground. They circumnavigated once east and once west and tested the two clocks to see the difference in them. The flying eastward clock was a difference of 59 nanoseconds from the one on the ground. The westward clock was 273 nanoseconds difference from the one on the ground. Just to get an idea, for example, 59 nanoseconds is 59 billionths of a second, or 0.000000059 seconds. Of course, modern science throwing insane numbers at us once again. I just thought it was cool that